AkuShaper, and we recently received a request on how to add a single channel 3 inches off the center stringer from about midway to the tail. And so I'm just going to walk through a quick tutorial today on how to add that channel in. So we'll go ahead and start with a new shortboard, 6.0, no worries, and we'll navigate to the slices. So first things first, let's go ahead and start adding the channel in by doing an add point. And so if you're following these numbers here, that Y is how far off the stringer our line is. So we're going to navigate out to 3 inches. Sorry. Navigate to 3 inches and drop the new point there. And then what you're going to want to do is just add one more point right next to it. And now you can begin to create the channel. So that looks pretty good. You can measure how deep you want it to be and whatnot, but for now we'll just kind of keep it how it is. And you can also roll out the sharpness of the channel in there by zooming in and playing with some of these control points until you get more of a rounded channel in there. So yeah, so for now we'll just leave it as is, and I'm just gonna walk through a bit of a shortcut on how to get this channel perfect. So what we're gonna want to do is do a file export and we're gonna export this slice here. I'm gonna name it channel slice and save it to my desktop. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is go back to this slice. I'm going to delete this slice. I'm going to delete this slice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to import that slice that I just exported, which is basically just a copy of that channel slice I made. So we'll go ahead and navigate till we find that slice. And then it's going to ask us where we want to put that in. So for now, I'm just going to mimic where those other two slices were at 12 inches, a foot from the tail. And now that slice has been added in. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to import a slice because I want it to come all the way off the edge of the tail. And I'll go ahead and find that same slice. It's going to ask me again where I want it. I'm going to put it 1 inch off the tail. And that slice has now been put in there. Some of our other tutorial videos that we talked about, these intermediate slices all blend together. And now by adding these new slices in, I've created this channel all the way to about this point in the center. If you navigate to the bay, you can then see that slice was added in. And it's nearly perfect because we just replicated it to come off the edge of the tail. So it's got a nice solid transition all the way through. Navigate, check it out from the nose. And that's probably the easiest way to create a slice, a channel slice, replicate it, and add it in to flow through the back end of the board. If you have any more questions, please just shoot us an email or a call, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.